T7 Endonuclease I, a vital dimeric nuclease in DNA repair, holds a special place in molecular biology research. Its unique affinity for Holliday junctions and dimeric structure with a flexible N-terminal region are key to its functionality. By binding and cleaving DNA junctions, this enzyme's N-terminus creates a local opening, facilitating precise cleavage. In genome editing, T7 Endonuclease I is a game-changer, detecting and quantifying mutations with unmatched accuracy. Its ability to target mismatches and extrahelical loops in DNA pairs is a boon for evaluating CRISPR, TALENs, and ZFNs efficiency. Additionally, this enzyme excels in rectifying mutations arising during gene synthesis, enhancing fidelity and reliability.
By providing more than 7,000 high-quality products and services, SBS GeneTech has empowered researchers in over 60 countries, resulting in over 4,500 publications in prestigious journals such as Science, Cell, and Cell Metabolism. From China, for the world, for superior biology services since 2000.